very, very important when we are doing. This is the one things which I have realized it, and this is specifically I'm talking about higher education and going abroad, because most of the time that's a beauty of this side, which I love it in a young generation. Now they do a very good homework themselves more than a parents, but still it is better as a parents to find it out what they are liking towards. So it's better to have nowadays they have so many companies or the people and professions which they do counseling for an year to find it out what is they good at. They do the psychometric test and other things. They help to find it out different universities which are good in those courses, which are the countries you can apply for, and what are the things which you can take care of it. So attending all these things, it's easier. We always feel it is better to we can do it, but most of the time we are not able to find all the things. So it is okay to pay some smaller amount to those counselors, which will help you to get into, because they will help in how to attend the visas. They will help you how to apply for it. They will help you to find what are the subjects which university is also good. So these are the different. If you want, I can. We have at least few of whoever our customers have attended those. We will give it, even though we don't have any tie up or something. I can say, but I can say that those people have been doing good because they're all the kids have gone abroad. So that's a very important part of the taking care of. So I'll just do now calculation on an Excel. So let me say that if the person is, as in the video also we say, it's a 5 years old and we take it 10 lakhs. So nowadays I have seen any professional courses, even if it is an architect, designing, because I'm doing somebody's for NEFT, NIFT and other places, things are not less than 20 lakhs, at least as on today. It can be any things. It can be engineering. It can be, I can say, designing. It can be your architect. It can be CA or whatever. CA is not so much, but yeah. So most of the places, our cost, we will try to do it as on today for undergrad. Undergrad is, I'm trying what we call here after 12th standard. So that's another things we have to learn. Like for us, we have a smaller issue. Like when we are applying for an PG, they take 12 plus 4, and then only you can apply for a PG. But in India, like a BA, BCom, BBA, Honors, or whatever you can say that, BSc are 3 years course. So if you have noticed now, Government of India is also coming with the 4 years. But if you have not done the 4 years, you need a 1 year of work experience or one more year degree or diploma to apply for. So I will take 20 lakhs as on today value. Inflation is at 8%. The child is at 5. So requirement age, I will say, let us say 18. So the 20 lakhs is becoming 54 lakhs. Okay. So I have just done nothing. If you see here, I have just, it's called a future value. What is a future value? What is a rate? Means it is an inflation rate you can add on. What is the number of years your kids when he is going to be 18 minus current year? And what is the today's value you are looking for? So I'm saying I need a 54 lakhs. So I can say that if the corpus requires 54, so if I have as on today 15 lakhs, that will take care of my overall level with the compounding effect of 10% return I'm taking. Normally for the kids education, we normally prefer balanced funds, which is around 10% to look at across. Then you will say how much yearly I should invest and how much monthly I should invest. That is the way we always try to calculate to make sure that this has been taken care of. So this is the little detail part I am going to show you. The same thing calculation with a little higher up here. What we do it for in a, I can say there I have taken as a single number as 20 lakhs if you notice. Here I have taken a different angle of, because 20 lakhs I'm not paying one shot. I'm paying in a 5 lakhs in a 4 different years. So if the this is the real example again. This is the customer whose kid is 15 years, and I have taken inflation at 8. The goals will start at 18. So number of years is 4 years. So he is going to pay 18, 19, 20, 21 years. So first year I have taken a future value, and how much corpus is required is 23 lakhs. How much money is available for me now? So what is a differential? As on today, what is my goal percentage achievement and how much monthly requirement as in part of it? So this will give you easily how much I have to make sure to achieve those and how to do it. So this is goal corpus requirement is a simpler way what we do. So today's 5 lakhs, what is the future value? And I keep increasing here at 8% of inflation. So 4 years we have to pay the fees. So 4 years fees is 5 lakhs is 6.29, 6.8, 7.3 and 7.9. And then I am just doing NPV at its net present value, whatever is required is 23 lakhs. So this is the another way to find it out how much money is required and how much you have already allocated. So this is little detailed part of it. How much this is the D and E is talking about PG if you notice. So if you have a PG for 2 years and this is for UG. So these two have to be very clear, and if your kid is younger, your monthly investment is much lesser because of power of compounding, as everybody knows about.
Today, Mr. Anil Rigo is one of the most well-known financial advisors in the country.
Anil Rigo, CEO and founder of Right Horizons.
And getting Anil Rigo, founder and CEO of Right Horizons, who joins us right
From
now.
a Bangalore studio, Anil Rigo, CEO, founder, Right Horizons.